Valuable information, engine follow. Greetings to all of you again from Trabzon Scholar Mode. I hope your health is in good spirits. I wish you a good Ramadan. Frankly, we are after singing one more legend today. What is this legend? One term in e-media and advertising channels. We watch especially in television institutions. Cutting nails with a motor saw. Now, we will try it personally as an information engine. For this too, we will do this job with a perfect machine in the sector. This process with one great chain in the sector. We will try with one soft tree in the middle sector. Our tree is not hard either. It's not a concept, I don't know what it is. Red tree friends age, and we have a red tree. About this as well. E25 centimeters band 6 nails and extra. Well, most people know it well, as we call the frame nail. We will try these first with 2 centimeters nails, then with 6 construction nails. Guys, we will try this personally. One in the comments to this video from you. Then how to try. I'm definitely waiting for your ideas. Frankly, we are thinking of turning to content in this way. Thank you to everyone who watched us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us. As you can see, the machine has taken its place. Now I say, I'll take my place. Our nails slowly. Friends to this region in the first place. We will flash 3 of them. After that, we will increase it to 6. Then, of course, if he can cut it, we will switch to 6 nails. Like the video. Don't forget to follow us, guys. I wish you a good time. We are starting. Kin. Now, we will put our first 3 frame nails instead of friends. Let me show you the size in my hand. Look like a full size. We will fit these 3 nails at different points. The first one like this. I sat the first. From this part too. I sat the second. You know there is no rudder or any movie. Only we shoot the movie here. Friends, we put these 3 nails in place at different points of cubes at different points to centimeters. Thickness of 1 millimeter. We sat the nails with the Bondado. We will try to cut a log from here with our current machine. Let's see if the event in those ads is real or rudder. Information engine, now we are testing it. We checked the fuel and gasoline of our machine and filled it. We will start now. Let's see. Really this? Is the event real? Stop the video right now, and in the comments, do you think this will be successful? Won't you write this? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us. Friends, with your support, we are trying to come to more exciting points. It's just remember, something that can be your support. And this is free, as you know. Follow and see how many kilos will work. I like this to die. This is our personal machine. By the way, guys, I want to say it. This is our own engine already knows from the videos, not just any customer machine. My completely personal engine. Well, I'm going to make bad comments. Don't do it. I'm sorry. Dear LSL Sino. After the prayer, friends, we continue. What is this? Guys, I want to try something before this. Do not try this application at home. So this is not a good thing to try. Definitely not recommended at home. How do I remember this? There was a game pub. It was written there. Pans are not really bulletproof. We tried for you so that you don't try it at home. Don't try it at home. Let's see we cut it. It went well, but where did the nails go? Aha, here guys, look better at this. Let's show that our first nail. Dating Fetty is dead. That too. Halit is dead, and this is our third nail. Dead friends. So, relieve 3 nails to this onion. It's never been like you designed. The chain didn't say that I never cut it like that. Now we are hammering dirt 3 and 6 nails.
6 çivi çakıyoruz.
Let's continue 6. How will the nail move?
Hareket yapacak.
If he happens after that, we're going to hit the 6th nail like this.
Şöyle.
That one. These two. These 3. Now watching this video, let go of the evidence, leave the stupid job for.
Bırakın almak işi. Şu 4.
You can say, but I wanted to try this.
Bunu denemek istedim ben.
The Zadi friends, we nailed 5 nails.
Arkadaşlar 5 çivi çaktık.
Let this be the 6th.
6.'sı olsun.
Let's throw to extra.
2 tane daha atacağım ama.
One said to, I planted 3 walnuts. There's nothing to do. Like this. That's 6. These 7. Huh, let this be 8. We nailed our nails. Now, let's see if he can cut these 8 nails. Ads are really real. But don't forget theirs was a 6th nail. Friends, 1 hectare, this is 3-4.
1. Ha bu 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
6.
7 habudai.
Ha bu da 8.
Am I right?
Doğru mu? Aynen öyle.
Successful.
Başarılı.
Now we say if you can pass them.
Bunları geçebiliyorsun diyoruz.
We are visiting the 6 TV. Now, in this part, we are switching to the hexadecimal nail. Let me show you on the first 6 nail. Bring you closer. We will start with 1 piece on the first 6 nails. If it passes to the first unit, then 2. We will increase it to 3 and look at the event in that ad. Now, instead of 6 nails, 1 conducted. Let's see there, guys, 5.
Orada arkadaşlar 5.
This ad was made with nails. That video was cut with 5 nails. Let's see what happens when a nail exceeds 6 instead of 5 nails. Make sure to write the videos in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe us. Oh. Friends, cut this too. Now we already have a nail
zaten
here.
burada var.
I'm going to hammer to more nails
Çivi
inside.
içeride. 2 tane daha çakacağım.
Looks like one amazing event.
Verici bir olaya benziyor.
What is your opinion, guys? Write in the comments, hear me.
Yorumlara yazın. Ben
I took 10-8 nails with me slowly already 6. Let me show you again. We have to
bir tane
6s.
daha altılığımız var.
That bottom
Altta
one.
1
As.
olarak.
That bottom
Altta
two.
2.
I shot this as one here too.
1. Şuradaki 2.
We will make our last try with the 3 nails here.
Son denememizi yapacağız.
I smashed it here to look at it.
Buna bakmak için.
Let me show you Solomon. Come. This is the nail he cut. Friends cut it like a razor.
Cilet gibi. Onu kesmiş.
Let's get started for 3
3
nails.
çivi için başlıyoruz.
By the way, our Chinese situation is not very bright. Let me tell you that let's see.
Hadi bakalım.
Guys, this is one, this two.
Şu bir, şu iki,
He fucked three nails too.
üç çiviyi de halt etti.
So what's in that ad is almost real.
O reklamdakiler neredeyse gerçek.
Almost not
Neredeyse
real.
değil, gerçek diyebiliriz.
We
Bunu
tested
test
this.
etmiş olduk.
What
Bir
should we do in the
sonraki
next
videoda
video?
ne yapalım?
Write this to us.
Bunu
And
bize yazıp
don't forget to
yollamayı
send.
unutmayın.
Don't forget to
Yorumlarda
like and follow us in the
bizi takip etmeyi,
comments.
beğenmeyi unutmayın.
I
Hoşça
say
kalın
goodbye
diyorum.
information,
Videomuzda
stay on the
kalın.
engine. Stay safe.
Selametle kalın.